redesign your room using Reroom AI and Stability AI. So Reroom AI is used for the main furniture changes, background changes, flooring changes, and Stability AI is more for cleaning up, maybe for some smaller changes, some color schemes that you don't like, or maybe some pieces of furniture you don't like. So we're going to start off at Reroom AI. So once you've logged in, signed up, made an account, it'll bring you to this page where you can upload a picture of your room. I'm just gonna search up a picture of a living room or something just as an example. I'm gonna try and choose maybe like a more ugly looking one. Not ugly, but just not my preference. So something like maybe this. This is a little too old fashioned for me, so I'm just gonna save it. Living room, save it, and then head back over to Reroom, browse, open it, and it should go here. Now you'll have the next step of selecting the style you wanted. I'm gonna look for more of a modern, probably something a little minimalistic. Choose modern fusion, I guess, and then scroll down and click generate. It takes a little while to reroom it, but not too long. Okay, perfect. So this is what it changed it to. So I'm just gonna download this and then head over to Stability AI. If you don't know how to use it or haven't really messed with it at all, I'd recommend that you check my previous video, which is all about Stability AI and the new version of it. So once we're at Stability AI, I'm gonna click upload image here, find this. This is the new image that I just downloaded from Reroom. So I'm just gonna open this. Put the image shrink to 50% so it can change the actual furniture and stuff. So I'm gonna look back at the image and see what I want to change. So maybe I want better lighting. I'm gonna change, maybe like add more plants, maybe remove some chairs. So I'm gonna head over to the prompt. Oh, and make sure the style is enhanced, so it makes it higher quality. I'm gonna type in the prompt. Perfect. So once you have your prompt, you can add any negative prompts, which is what you want to avoid, as said right here. But once you have your prompt and you have all your settings, maybe you want more images that it generates so you can have like a better view on them. You just click Dream. It should start generating the new images. Alright, perfect. So once it's done, you'll have all the new images here that you can choose from. I'm actually really happy that we had one chair here that I didn't really like, and I'm super impressed that it picked it up with our prompt to remove it because it didn't quite fit in. So I completely agree on that. As you can see, I add more potted plants here. And yeah, so once you've chosen the one you like, you can start replacing your furniture and creating a new